Hello everyone. So in our last video we saw how we can run a service on the boot up. So in this video we will create an AIDL library, and we shall see how we can integrate the client and server with that library. Okay, so first we have to create an AIDL package here. So we will go ahead and add a directory here, AIDL, and I will go to the project structure, mark this as a source, apply OK. Then I will create the stream package structure as of my service app. So com and also demo service, sorry, no capital letter in the package naming, so that's a standard practice. So demo service, so that is done. Now I will create one file here. I will call it as idemo interface.aidl. So I will specify the package name, com and demo service interface. This is how the AIDL structure. We will mention the same, give the same name as of the file name. So idemo interface, and we'll have one void hello method for the time being. Okay, so that is done. Now what we have to do is go to the Android BP file and declare this AIDL source as a Java library. Since it has only source folder in it, it's not an Android library, it will be a Java library. So type Java underscore library. So first thing we have to have in every this kind of structure is a name. So I will give us a name of demo lib. Okay, why not? Then we have to specify the folder where it has its source stored. So srcs, it will be AID. Okay, I can copy paste it from here. Copy paste. So instead of Java it will be AIDL, and instead of src it will be AIDL. And important thing is you have to make sure your client, your server, and whatever the library you are using in between them follow the same SDK version if that is mentioned, otherwise it will throw an SDK error. That is pretty understandable from the error it seems itself, so no problem there identifying that. So we will go ahead and sync the project and check whether these codes are auto generated or not. So the build is successful. We shall see now whether the AIDL code has been generated or not. So we will create one Kotlin class. We will call it as demo manager, demo manager, and it will extend shall type demo interface. As you can see, that interface has been generated, and obviously we will implement those members. So it seems it's working. That code, that integration into our server side is working, and the stubs are generated successfully for the AIDL interface which we have created. Okay, for some reason settings, file, project structure, will mark this as source, apply, okay. So we will do a slight modification to the interface we have written. So we will accept some string, okay, and print that string here. We'll remove this thing. Then build it. Okay, we will see whether the latest changes have been added or not. Seems not. Haven't I? Okay, it's updated. So we will add a lock here, and we will print whatever string we are receiving as an argument here. We will add that binder as the I binder, which will be returned on the bind function. So return demo manager. Okay, so whenever one client connects to our service, we will return this manager as the binder. Okay, so that is done. So next we will see how we can integrate this library into our client application. So yeah, so for our client application, I have created one HMI application already. So I will take a copy of that application. I will rename it to my demo app. And I will go to this project structure, and in the module path I will add that new project as another module for this thing. So vendor, packages, apps, and the name of the project was my demo app. My demo app. Save, and I'm syncing the project. Okay, since that was a copy paste, it is showing some error. My demo app. Okay, done. I had some ID issue in between, so I had to restart my Android Studio. But yeah, we will go ahead with the interface definition. So we will create one variable for demo interface that is of the type I demo interface. And in the service connection, what was the name? Demo interface is equal to I demo interface dot stub as interface service we can give, and on log I will add service connected, and here it will be log the service disconnected, and in the connection function we will create one intent where intent is equal to intent dot apply. So set component class name. So we will go to our demo service manifest and we'll make sure our service is exported and enabled. Okay, that is done. Then what we will do, we will copy the package name and also the class name. Package name and class name. Demo service. Also bind service in service connection con and intent auto bind auto create context dot bind auto create, that we will do. And in one of the buttons we will have the function to connect with the service, and in the second function button we will pass one value from our client application to the server application. So on here we will do that interface name, which is demo interface dot hello. Let's say main here. Okay, so after this thing, don't forget to add your survey application and service name into the products.mk. I have already added this demo application. So what I will do, I will go to my workspace and do a full build. So we got this error like saying that it's not able to like identify this iDemo interface. The problem was that we forgot to add this library also into our static lib section of the Android VP of that service. So we will add that library interface demo lib, that is done, and we will start. So our build is success now. We will run the emulator now. Starting up, we will start the rocket. So our service started to run. We will go to our application. I think this is the application which has two buttons. So we will call the button 1. This is the top button. I think we forgot to add that service connection related thing. Let me my demo app. Okay, that is there. Okay, on service connected, the log is there, and I'm sending that hello message. Okay, as you can see in the demo service, whatever the message we are sending from the client app is now getting printed. So that is it for this tutorial.